अस्सलामु अलैकुम माय फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में लेडी बग्स बनाना सिखाऊंगी। ये लेडी बग आप एक पेंसिल और स्केल की मदद से बिल्कुल ज़बरदस्त बना सकते हैं और बाद में हम इसमें कलर भी करेंगे। अब मैं आपको लेडी बग की हिस्ट्री बताऊंगी। लेडी बग है क्या? What is ladybug? Ladybugs are a group of beetles that are also known as ladybird beetles and lady beetles. In fact, the name ladybug is a slang term for the more correct name, lady beetle. They are harmless to humans and also often considered cute by people who don't like other insects. Most ladybugs have oval dome shaped bodies with 6 short legs. Depending on the species, they can have spots, strips, and no markings at all. 7 spotted ladybugs are red or orange with 3 spots on each side and one in the middle. They have a black head with white patches on either side. Question rises, is ladybug an insect? Of all the creepy crawlies, ladybugs are the most beloved and respected of insects. Ladybugs are a group of beetles that are also known as ladybirds, beetles, or lady beetles. Ladybugs are also known as lady beetles or ladybird beetles. They are considered beneficial as they eat other plant eating insects. अब मैं आपको एक और ड्राइंग बनाना सिखाऊंगी जो आप बहुत इजीली एक पेन और स्केल की मदद से ड्रा कर सकते हैं। हाउ टू ड्रा अ tortoise step by step. इसमें हम बाद में कलर भी करेंगे। मेरे इस चैनल के साथ बने रहिएगा। आपको मज़ीद ड्राइंग की वीडियोस मिलेंगी। अब मैं आपको टर्टल की हिस्ट्री बताऊंगी। All turtles, tortoises and terrapins are reptiles. Scientists often refer to them as chelonians because they are in the taxonomic order called Chelonia from the Greek word of tortoise. Around the world, the turtles or turtle can be seen as a symbol of wisdom and knowledge, and is able to defend itself on its own. It can be regarded as personify water, the moon, the earth, time, immortality, and fertility. What does tortoise color look like? Classically, tortoise color has a base shade of brown with mottled flecks spread throughout in hues of yellow and or amber. Today, tortoise color refers more to speckled speckled tortoiseshell pattern then the color it may stray from these classic colors to include any colors really. All tortoises are turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. Thanks for watching.